waiting for the storm to pass.
Yeah, it's difficult today, man. It's not, today is not a beautiful day for us.
Yeah. How about the rain, huh? So we're standing on top of Alligator Bridge. We're waiting for the rain to break.
And the rain's back.
So
And here's
once the rain stops, then we're gonna put into the water, float down, and we'll see what happens.
We're talking about if we can get up to that little gazebo.
And you could order a drink, and then they would send it to you on the rope.
Oh, very cool.
From over there, yeah.
Yeah.
Up here.
That's awesome.
That's cool.
Yeah.
We'll be swimming.
Take me to the river.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Super excited here. We thought with waiting with the rain and all the hubbub here, after a couple hours, pumped.
Well, there we go. Dude, they turned around. Dude, that's some white water, bro. Love it. Every second of it. First casualty of the day.
We took a lot of water, is what happened, and then
On the loop.
we made it through the worst of it
Well, we don't know.
before we went down. No, no, on that stretch.
We don't know. All I know, there was a big boulder, and I was heading straight for it. And I said, paddle, paddle, paddle. And then after that, we had trees, and we had to dock like this.
Yeah, that sounds...
That all happened like in 2 seconds.
Never gonna go
back to sea again. But guess what? We're here.
We survived the first rapids. Off to the second one. Looks like it's shallow up ahead. We have 3 ways to choose. 1, 2, 3. Looks like we're gonna take this path right here. Oh, geez. I think straight up, straight. Oh, there you go. That way's not bad. for sure. Little picnic spot. Got out of the rain. Look at these rapids, bro. Yeah. How are you feeling after all that?
I'm feeling great. I'm so glad I did this.
I feel great. I'm almost dry by this point.
You know, I'm so glad the Prime Minister has called a no movement day for the next 3 days.
Feeling good. That was awesome.
Well, the glad say we reached down safe, you know, and no bones have been broken and things like that, you know.
It was great. It was lots of fun. I'm alive. I have a souvenir rock to put in my promo case.
Yeah, I think it's fabulous. I'm glad you guys arrived. I checked out a little early, but I had my spills and chills.
Well, I was a driver. I didn't get, you know, a real good view of it.
Yeah. How was the driving part?
Oh, the driving was fine. That's easy.
Normal.
one, Quaco Bush.
Quaco Bush.
Quaco Bush. And
Quaco
what are you
Bush.
supposed to do?
The river will protect you from the river.
All right.